What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Welcome back. All right, we're gonna do a little roll call today. Locked up the chickens last night for the most part. We got 1, 2, 3 out, 4 out. We're gonna count the rest, see how many we got, make sure everybody's good. Nobody in the nesting box. Perfect. We got 4 out. 4 out. 4 chickens out. There's a lot ready to go. All right, so they came out pretty quick. I think I counted 39, which is about right. I have to look at my notes and the breakdown of all the different types of chickens and then come back out and count them. 39 sounds great. I was closer to 35, 36. I'd be worried, think something got a few. But 39 sounds awesome. I think we have found the alpha rooster here. He's a big one, and he is chasing around the ladies. Not knowing how to act. I haven't seen him mount a hen yet, so we're waiting for that. I still have a broody chicken. I still got a broody chicken, but I don't think we got any fertilized eggs because I haven't seen him mount a hen yet, but he has chased a couple around for a little while. But yeah, he is pretty big compared to the other rooster. Hasn't chased me yet. If he does, y'all see me smacking with this camera right here. He's trying. He just happens to be trying on the older hens. We ain't having it. No chasing back. I ain't scared. The rain has been good, closed up some cracks. We obviously still got some cracks. There's the 2 roosters. You can see how much bigger he is than the other. Scared for her life. A little younger and smaller than the rest. Yeah, I just let you out. You're already back in there. Hey, we ain't got no fertilized eggs. You hear me? You hear me? Look at it poop up. We ain't got no fertilized eggs. Look at that. Come on. No fertilized eggs. Do you hear me? Do you hear me now? Oh, I'll try this one. Girl wants some chicks. Ain't happening. Ain't happening. Big guy, what's up? What's up, girl? Where's Lulu at? They're loving the thick grass over here. Alright, that might be the rooster getting one over. Loving the thick grass. There's a baby. Why you running? Lulu! Hey, Lulu. Lulu! Come here, Lulu! Lulu. Getting their breakfast in. Lulu. 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 Hey. Hey now. Hey. Come here. Ah, Lulu. Lulu's being camera shy, alright? Since that one time, she's got to be a little shy around the cameras. Lulu. Alright, y'all. We did a little head count at 39. I had to look back at the numbers because I knew it was around 40, but 39 is great. Anything much lower than that, I've been concerned about. But 39 sounds wonderful. Sounds great. All right, so we're good. Lulu's good. That's all that matters. Thank you. Come here, Lulu. Goodness. All right, so 39 sounds good. We still have a few in the chicken tractor we need to move over. And I really can move them over pretty soon here. So we'll get those over. Bring that chicken tractor over so we'll have some more shade for the chickens. And we can knock that out for sure. All right, one last checkup on them. And they are good. See who's under here chilling. Oh, y'all all took off on me. That's what it is. All right. You're wasting your time, mama. You hear me? Wasting your time. What is up, little one? You're a little Lulu. Got a little pack here. And look who's out hunting this morning. Tino. Tino. What's up, my guy? Hey, as long as you ain't hunting my chickens. Tino said I would never do that. Good boy, Tino. Tino's out hunting. And Neighbors out doing their thing. What's up, neighbors? You good? Good talk. Good talk. There you go. That's a good one. Bobo, what up, boy? We got Bo and Tino, the best buds right here. See what Bo thinks about these donkeys. Nothing, Bo? Nothing at all. We got 3 of our neighbors there. There's the other 2 nosy neighbors. Chilling in there. All right, y'all, we are good. We are good. Thanks for coming back. Glad you're here. You know, more chicken content on the way. ASAP. All right. All right. Get there in a hurry. Get there in a hurry. Still running from the rooster. One day we will have chicks. One day. He's trying. He's trying. Come on, Bo. Go. All right, y'all. Stay tuned. See you next time. Thanks for coming back.